AI is no longer science fiction. It is here, and it is changing the world. Some people are losing jobs, others are making fortunes. Overnight. Which side will you be on? In this video, we'll explore the AI tools that can replace jobs, the ones that can make you rich, and what you need to do to survive and thrive in this AI-driven world. AI is replacing jobs faster than most people realize. Customer service, data entry, some programming tasks. AI can do these jobs, often faster and better than humans. For example, chatbots answering customer queries instantly. AI analyzing massive datasets in seconds. AI writing reports, summaries, and even marketing copy. It is not just repetitive jobs, some creative roles are affected too. AI can generate images, music, and videos. Companies are adopting these tools rapidly. Most people are not prepared. It is not all doom and gloom. AI is also creating huge opportunities. Some people use AI to trade stocks and crypto automatically, generate AI art and sell it online, create content faster than ever, build apps and tools that scale themselves. Example, a designer uses AI to generate hundreds of logos daily. They sell them online, without hiring a team. A programmer uses AI to write code, delivers apps faster, and earns more than ever. The same AI replacing jobs can also create wealth. The difference is knowing how to use it, not fighting it. Which jobs are most at risk? Customer service representatives, AI chatbots, data entry clerks, AI automation, junior programmers, AI coding assistants, content writers, AI copy generators. Even some creative jobs, graphic design, video editing, marketing, are seeing AI tools handle repetitive tasks. Truth, if your job is repetitive, predictable, or pattern-based, AI can probably do it. Faster, cheaper, often better. Not all jobs are in danger. AI struggles with complex human interactions, strategic decision-making, highly specialized creative work. Doctors, teachers, psychologists, AI can assist, but cannot fully replace them. Artists, writers, entrepreneurs, AI can help brainstorm, but cannot replace original human imagination. The best approach? Use AI to amplify your skills, not ignore it. Here is how you can make AI work for you. Learn AI tools relevant to your field. Quickly, automate repetitive tasks. Free your time. Use AI to create content, products, or services. Package and sell AI-generated work, online or offline. Continuously upskill. Adapt as AI evolves. AI is a tool. Like any tool, it is powerful if used correctly. Early adopters are already creating new revenue streams. Without large teams, without huge investments, just by using AI. What does the future look like? Experts predict that in the next 5 years, AI will automate 30 to 50% of repetitive office tasks. Millions of jobs will be transformed, not just lost. New roles will emerge. For humans who can work with AI, the choice is clear. Adapt and use AI, or risk being left behind. The people making fortunes today are the ones leveraging AI to create, innovate, and scale faster than ever. AI is powerful. It can replace jobs, or it can make you rich. The difference? How you choose to use it. So, which side will you be on? If you want more insights, practical AI tips, and ways to stay ahead of tech trends, subscribe to Tech Uncovered. We cut through the hype and show you the real ways AI is shaping your future.